Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can enable tools inside your Slack workspace, right here on your left sidebar. This is perfect if you want to make your Slack workspace more organized and efficient, especially for managing projects, communicating with your team, or keeping track of important files. So let us show you how you can do that, guys. Head over to your Slack workspace. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. You may also switch to another workspace if you like. If you take a look at that panel, or side part here on the left, you will see features like the Home button, the Direct Messages section, Activity, Files, and more. Here, under More, you will also see Tools. These are handy features that can make your daily workflow faster and more streamlined. Now, if you'd like to add these tools directly to your sidebar for quick access, do the following. Click into your workspace name at the top, or click the arrow down icon next to it. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. Inside your workspace preferences, head over to Navigation. On the right, you will see all tabs and sections we just talked about. You can customize which ones appear in your sidebar. If you'd like to add tools to your navigation bar, simply enable them by selecting the checkbox next to each tool. This gives you direct access to all your tools without having to dig through menus every time. For example, if I click into it now, I am redirected to all tools, including external apps, like workflows, integrations with other apps, and productivity-enhancing features. This is a great way to keep everything you need for your team or personal projects right at your fingertips. A pro tip: regularly check this section because Slack often adds new tools and app integrations that can help you save time and stay organized. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some value from it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future tech tutorials. We'll see you next time on our channel.